Here we are again, day 2. I am back with my project. Yesterday, it turned out quite lovely. We have some nice looking stencil. The only thing I realized is that the stencil stuff that I used, the puffy paste, this little lovely jar of light and fluffy modeling paste. Yes, it is light, it is fluffy, kind of still stays flexible. Should have read that. But I think it's going to work out because I want it to look like my GG collection pieces, which have a hammered metal on them. And now that it's sort of smushed, it is going to look a little bit more like that. And luckily, there's a backside that we can do stage 2. In worst case, when something goes awry, let that side face the back. These paint jobs look pretty good on this side. I'm pretty happy. I kind of accidentally turned it into this wood look, which I think is going to work. But sadly, look what happened. We have an O that went astray. His color, again, you can see how the paint, it was an experiment, didn't really spread all the way through, apparently. And then yesterday, when I experimented with some wax, I decided to try a little clear wax on top of my stencil after I had done my gilding wax. Not a good idea. It actually spread it all around, and then it sort of turned the rest of it into this, again, it spread the gilding wax everywhere. There's a metallic sheen all around, as you can see. And then you can still see that the other color is not quite there. It was more the gray, because I was sort of mixing a gray and a brown copper, right? I was using this color yesterday. I mixed in a little bit of this color shot. I have to sort of rebuild my color now. This is the lesson to be learned, everyone, when you're using these colors. Make sure you mix enough. Everybody says that. I never do when I experiment. I'm silly. I just lazy. Who knows why I don't do what I do. But I'm going to have to fix it now. And I figured I'd let you take a look at the problem, and then I will show you how I'm going to try to solve it after we get done. I'll be back to you after a word from our sponsor, but there is no sponsor, so I'll be back soon. See ya.